So now let us talk about the immunopathogenesis. The most of the infections are asymptomatic. Uh, in this patient who are asymptomatic, TH1 cytokines increases. So there is an increase in interleukin 12, tumor necrotic factor, and interferon gamma. Okay. So TH1 cells, when tumor necrotic factor and interferon gammas are increased, it will activate the macrophage. It will activate the macrophage. Activated. Okay. And these activated macrophages will kill the leishmania, and the infection is restricted. Okay. So in these cases where there is asymptomatic infection, that means there is the immune system is present, so immune response is present, immune response is good, immune response is present. So in these cases, the leishmanian skin test or the Montenegro skin test is positive. It means that the immune system is working, immune response is present. Okay. But in some patients there is symptomatic infection. And the immune response in this patient is very complex. Okay, complex. In these symptomatic persons, we can see that there is an increase in multiple pro-inflammatory cytokines. So various type of cytokines which induces the inflammation are increased in this patient. Okay, and specifically there is an increase in interleukin 10. Interleukin 10 is increased in serum, and increase interleukin 10 messenger RNA expression in lesional tissue. Okay. So what is the role of interleukin 10 in visceral leishmaniasis? Okay, interleukin 10 is very important, has very important role in visceral leishmaniasis. What it does is interleukin 10, okay, interleukin 10 will make the macrophage unresponsive to the activation signals. Okay, it will render macrophage unresponsive to activation signals, so the macrophages cannot be activated, and so the infection cannot be restricted. Okay. Second, it will downregulate the production of tumor necrotic factor alpha and nitric oxide. Okay, these two were involved in the killing of mastocyte, but when they are downregulated, the killing of mastocyte is inhibits killing of mastocyte. Okay, and third, it does is multiple antigen presenting functions of the dendritic cells and the macrophages are suppressed. Of dendritic cells and macrophages are suppressed. Okay. So interleukin 10 will make the macrophage unresponsive to the activation signals. It will downregulate tumor necrotic factor alpha and the nitric oxide, and which will inhibit the killing of mastocyte, and it will suppress the multiple antigen presenting functions of the dendritic cell and macrophage. So in the presence of interleukin 10, the mastocyte forms can multiply inside the macrophage easily. Okay, and in these cases where there is symptomatic infection, that means there is a immunosuppression, state of immunosuppression, immune system is suppressed. So the Leishman skin test or the Montenegro test is negative, okay, is negative.